all, the brand new box that I had subscribed to is the Bone Box. And this is really, really interesting because I collect skulls, and that's pretty much the majority of the oddities that I collect is skulls and bones. And I'm just really excited to see what kind of skull that they brought me, because I'm all about learning, and that's what this is about. All here to learn together. So, let's see what we got for the Bone Box for October 2018. Okay, so there's a little thank you, a cute little thing, and wrapped up within here is a badger claw and a little mink skull. So this will be my second mink skull. It's so adorable. And my first badger claw. I believe they have glued the mouth shut in order to, make sure that it stays together, make sure that nothing falls out. And with it has this little mink card, and it also has the scientific name, I think. Mustela visum. Possibly the scientific name, possibly not. Skulls Unlimited, International, World Service, blah 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 blah. Alright, the mink is found throughout the United States, appearing in parts in every state except for Arizona. Adult minks grow to about 2 feet in length, with up to half of this length being the tail. A member of the weasel family, minks are successful carnivores, feeding on small vertebrates and occasional insects. So that's awesome that they like to give you a little thing for information on here and teach you what it's about. They also have on the pack how much it is. So the mink skull is $35 on its own, and the badger claw is $4 on its own. There's also this little paper underneath this that says Skulls Unlimited. The month Bone Box delivers you the American mink, and it has an adorable little mink on there. The mink is a semi-aquatic carnivore inhabiting streams and rivers throughout most of North America. Take a close look at the shape of the skull. Square jaw, the sharp canines with strong molars, and dense bone are great examples of a mustelide. Mustelides are found in 5 continents and in nearly every kind of environment. They are excellent hunters and have been known to bring down prey significantly larger than themselves. The American mink has been introduced to habitats across the world in an effort to increase production of fur. Many of those minks escape into the wild and establish themselves in a full-fledged breeding population. As a result, you can now find them in Europe, Iceland, and British Isles, and the Patagonia region of South America. That is awesome. I love that they give you that little information. I just think that this is cute. This looks like a little maybe kitty skull with the yarn in its mouth. It just looks adorable. Okay, putting these guys on my shelf.